this is what happens when you have two pieces of copper tubing rubbed together in the machine. There's that side and that tubing there, and there's that side right there. Well, look at here. This is what this mighty pump had sucked out. I had to take it apart to get to it. I had to take the mighty pump apart to get to it. But look at that. Look at this thing. That is something. I'll set it right there. See? That came right out of the condensate drain. That thing just pulled it right out.
Woo!